Have you ever walked into a room and felt instantly captivated by its sheer elegance and spaciousness? It's a feeling that can be hard to describe but easy to recognize. The room seems to breathe, offering a sense of openness and tranquility that immediately puts you at ease. Chances are, large format tiles played a significant role in crafting that unforgettable first impression. These tiles, often measuring 24 inches or more, have the unique ability to transform a space, making it appear larger and more cohesive. These oversized wonders are transforming the way we perceive and experience interior spaces. They are not just a trend, but a revolution in home design, offering a blend of functionality and aesthetics that is hard to match. They bring a touch of grandeur and sophistication that's hard to ignore. Imagine walking into a bathroom where the floor and walls are covered in these expansive tiles, creating a seamless look that exudes luxury. What's the magic behind their appeal? It's a combination of their size, the materials used, and the way they are installed. Large format tiles can be made from various materials, including porcelain, ceramic, and even natural stone, each offering its own unique texture and finish. Large format tiles create a seamless and visually expansive look. The fewer grout lines mean that the eye is not interrupted, allowing the space to flow more naturally. This is particularly beneficial in smaller rooms, where the continuous surface can make the area feel much larger than it actually is. Traditional smaller tiles, while charming in their own right, can sometimes feel busy and cluttered with grout lines. These lines can break up the visual flow of a room, making it appear smaller and more segmented. Large format tiles minimize these grout lines, resulting in a cleaner, more contemporary aesthetic. This minimalist approach is perfect for modern interiors that prioritize simplicity and elegance. This minimalist approach instantly elevates the style quotient of any room, whether it's a sleek, modern kitchen or a luxurious spa-like bathroom. The tiles act as a canvas, allowing other design elements to shine without overwhelming the space. But their appeal extends far beyond mere aesthetics. Large format tiles are also incredibly practical. Their size means fewer grout lines, which translates to less maintenance and easier cleaning. Large format tiles offer practical advantages that make them a smart choice for homeowners seeking both beauty and functionality. They are easier to install than you might think, and their durability ensures that they will look great for years to come. Their size translates to fewer grout lines, which in turn means less maintenance. Cleaning becomes a breeze, as there are fewer nooks and crannies for dirt and grime to hide. Grout, notorious for trapping dirt and grime, can be a real chore to keep clean. With large format tiles, this issue is significantly reduced, making your cleaning routine much simpler. With large format tiles, you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your beautiful space. Imagine the luxury of a bathroom that always looks pristine with minimal effort. Whether you're drawn to their visual impact or their low-maintenance nature, there's no denying that large format tiles have earned their place as a top trend in home design. They offer a perfect blend of form and function, making them a versatile choice for any room in your home. They're a testament to the power of simplicity and scale in creating spaces that are as functional as they are beautiful. Large format tiles are more than just a design choice. They are a lifestyle upgrade, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits that enhance your living experience. Among the array of large format tile options available, 4x9 tiles stand out as a particularly striking and versatile choice. These tiles are not just a trend, they are a revolution in the world of interior design. Their unique dimensions open up a world of design possibilities, allowing you to create truly captivating patterns and layouts. The sheer size of these tiles means fewer grout lines, which translates to a more seamless and cohesive look. Let's delve into the specific reasons why these tiles are making waves in the world of interior design. The elongated shape of 4x9 tiles lends itself beautifully to creating a sense of flow and movement within a space. When installed horizontally, they can make a room appear wider and more expansive, a particularly desirable effect in smaller areas. This can be a game changer for urban apartments or cozy cottages where space is at a premium. Vertically, they can draw the eye upward, adding a sense of height and grandeur. Imagine a bathroom where the tiles stretch from floor to ceiling, creating an illusion of a taller, more luxurious space. Beyond their visual impact, 4x9 tiles offer practical benefits that make them a smart investment. Their large size means fewer tiles are needed to cover a given area, potentially reducing installation time and costs. Additionally, Their durability and resistance to scratches, stains, and moisture make them ideal for high-traffic areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and entryways. These tiles are built to last, ensuring that your investment pays off in the long run. From a design perspective, 4x9 tiles offer unparalleled versatility. They come in a wide range of materials, colors, textures, and finishes to complement any style. Whether you prefer the sleek, modern look of concrete-look porcelain tiles or the timeless elegance of natural stone, you're sure to find the perfect 4x9 tile to bring your vision to life. These tiles are not just about aesthetics. They are about creating spaces that feel both luxurious and functional. The ability to customize and adapt these tiles to various design themes makes them a favorite among interior designers and homeowners alike. Imagine walking into a room where the tiles seamlessly blend with the overall decor, creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. This is the magic of 4x9 tiles. They have the power to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. In conclusion, 4x9 tiles are more than just a design choice. They are a statement. They offer a unique combination of beauty, functionality, and practicality that is hard to match. Whether you're renovating a small bathroom or designing a spacious living room, these tiles provide endless possibilities to elevate your space. So, the next time you're considering a tile upgrade, think big, think 4x9. Embrace the trend that's here to stay and make a statement with your interior design. With their impressive size, stunning aesthetics, and practical benefits, 4x9 tiles are truly making a statement in the world of interior design. Whether you're a homeowner looking to refresh your space or a designer seeking the next big trend, these tiles offer a world of possibilities. So go ahead, explore the potential of 4x9 tiles and let your creativity run wild. The perfect tile for your next project is out there, waiting to make your space truly special. With 4x9 tiles, the possibilities are endless, and the results are always stunning. While the allure of 4x9 tiles is undeniable, their sleek, modern look can transform any space into a stunning visual masterpiece. However, it's important to approach their installation with a realistic understanding of the practical challenges involved. These tiles, while beautiful, come with their own set of hurdles that can be daunting if you're not adequately prepared. These challenges stem primarily from the tile's size and weight, which require careful planning, specialized tools, and a bit of muscle. The sheer dimensions of these tiles mean that they are not only heavier, but also more cumbersome to handle than standard tiles. But don't let that deter you. With the right mindset and preparation, these obstacles can be managed effectively. With the right preparation and guidance, you can overcome these obstacles and achieve professional-looking results. It's all about knowing what to expect and planning accordingly. One of the first things to consider is the weight of 4x9 tiles. These tiles are significantly heavier than their smaller counterparts, and handling them safely requires extra care and potentially an extra pair of hands. These tiles are significantly heavier than their smaller counterparts, and handling them safely requires extra care and potentially an extra pair of hands. It's not just about lifting them, it's about maneuvering them into place without causing damage to the tile or yourself. Before you even order your tiles, think about how you'll transport them from the store to your home and then to your project area. This is a crucial step that many people overlook, leading to unnecessary stress and potential damage to the tiles. You'll likely need a truck or trailer for transportation and a sturdy cart or dolly to move them around your house. These tools will make the process much smoother and safer, reducing the risk of injury or tile breakage. Installation itself can be more demanding due to the size and weight of the tiles. The larger the tile, the more precision is required to ensure a perfect fit and finish. You'll need to ensure your subfloor is perfectly level and sturdy enough to support the weight. Any imperfections in the subfloor will telegraph through the tiles, leading to an uneven and potentially hazardous surface. Any imperfections in the subfloor will telegraph through the tiles, leading to an uneven and potentially hazardous surface. This is why it's crucial to spend time preparing the subfloor before you even think about laying the tiles. Leveling a subfloor can be a time-consuming and physically demanding task, so be prepared to invest the necessary effort or consider hiring a professional for this step. A well-prepared subfloor is the foundation of a successful tile installation. Cutting large format tiles, especially those with a thickness of 1 centimeter or more, presents another challenge. Standard tile cutters are often not large enough to accommodate these tiles, requiring the use of a wet saw or a specialized large format tile cutter. Standard tile cutters are often not large enough to accommodate these tiles, requiring the use of a wet saw or a specialized large format tile cutter. These tools can be expensive to purchase or rent, so factor that into your budget. It's also worth considering the learning curve associated with using these tools effectively. Additionally, cutting large tiles accurately takes practice and precision. It's a good idea to get some practice cuts in on scrap tiles before tackling the real thing. This will help you get a feel for the tool and ensure that your cuts are clean and precise. Remember, patience and preparation are key to a successful tile installation.